Jonathan Glick. I'm a 3L at Boston University and have just returned from Haiti. While talking with some of my classmates, we decided after the earthquake that we just really wanted to be able to give back in some way to the Haitian people. Pretty much the moment we were finished with our final exams, we headed to the airport, got on a plane to Port-au-Prince. I think initially you're just in shock. You land at the airport and you walk out onto the street initially, and almost immediately, within seconds, you're passing by a tent city with thousands and thousands of what can best be described as refugees. Almost unbelievable, the things you're seeing. I've formerly worked as a ski patroller, so I've had basic emergency medical training. Obviously, this was an incredibly different environment, though. You're seeing injuries and sickness at an entirely different level than is really comprehensible. Usually our head interpreter would head out into whichever community we're going to be working with, and he'd walk around a camp and start passing out tickets. People would start lining up. We'd start laying out our medications. We had 2 vans full of medicine, basically, with different suitcases being different illnesses and different treatments. And then we'd start seeing people. In Haiti, simple things can quickly turn into life or death situations. So it's frustrating to see the lack of any infrastructure or government presence helping people with the most basic things. So this last semester, I spent time in a clinic here at BU, and I interned for a judge in Lowell in the juvenile court. And you see some horrible things, but you also see government in action, and you see what happens in a society of laws. And I think a situation like Haiti happens when there's a lack of government and a lack of law and order. You get the definite feeling that it's kind of every man for himself. So it's a stark reminder how important kind of organized society and a legal system is. Even after some rough days, you have a smiling kid playing with you, or a mom looking you in the eyes and just showing that thanks. Certainly makes everything worthwhile. I don't think you go through some of the situations we went through and come back the same person. It's just not possible.